London Travel Guide for First-Time Visitors. Everything you must know. What's up, travelers? Welcome back to Cross Trail, the channel where we help you cross borders smarter, cheaper, and stress-free. If you're planning your first trip to London, this video is your complete survival guide. We're talking when to go, how to get around, where to stay, what to eat, how much money you really need, top attractions, cultural tips, tourist mistakes to avoid, and a simple itinerary you can actually follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan London like a pro. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Section 1: Why visit London? London is one of the most visited cities in the world, and for good reason. It's where ancient history meets modern skyscrapers, royal palaces sit next to street markets, you can see artifacts from Egypt in the morning and eat food from India at night. London has over 2,000 years of history, more than 170 museums, over 8 million people from every culture. It's safe, walkable, English-speaking, and beginner-friendly, which makes it perfect for first-time international travelers. But it can also be expensive and confusing if you don't plan right. So let's start with the basics. Section 2: Best time to visit London. London is a year-round destination, but each season feels very different. Spring, March to May. Mild temperatures, flowers in parks, fewer tourists, great balance of weather and prices. Summer, June, August. Warmest weather, festivals and events, long daylight hours. Downside: crowds plus higher hotel prices. Fall, September to October. Cool air, beautiful parks, fewer tourists. Again, one of the best times to visit. Winter, November to February. Cold and gray, short days, cheapest flights and hotels. December has Christmas lights and markets, which are beautiful. Best months overall: May, June, September. Section 3: Visa and entry requirements. If you're from the USA, Canada, Australia, or most of Europe, you can enter the UK visa-free for up to 6 months. You need a valid passport, return ticket, proof of accommodation. Always check official UK government rules before flying. At immigration, be polite, answer clearly, and you'll be fine. Section 4: Money and budgeting. Currency. The UK uses British pounds, not euros. Cards versus cash. London is almost cashless. You can use credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Carry a small amount of cash just in case. Daily budget. Per person, budget traveler, $70 minus $110 per day. Mid-range, $150 minus $250 per day. Luxury, $300 plus includes hotel, food, transport, attractions. Tipping not required, but common. Restaurants, 10 to 12.5% if service not included. Taxis, Roundup Section 5 Getting around London. London has one of the best transport systems in the world. Use contactless, no need to buy tickets. Just tap your credit card. Phone works on tube buses, trains. Daily spending is automatically capped. The tube, subway, fastest way to move long distances. Buses, cheaper, great for sightseeing from airports. Heathrow, Elizabeth Line or Piccadilly Line. Gatwick, train to Victoria Station. Stansted, Luton. Express trains. Transport tips: stand on the right on escalators, let people exit first, avoid rush hour with luggage. Section 6 Where to stay. Best areas for first-timers: Covent Garden Central, walkable, theatres Soho, nightlife and food South Bank, river views. Attractions: Kensington, quiet, museums nearby. Paddington, great transport hub. Shoreditch, trendy and cheaper, avoid staying too far outside Zone 2 unless you're on a tight budget. Section 7 Top attractions, must-see places: Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, Tower of London, Tower Bridge, British Museum, free. London Eye, Trafalgar Square, Piccadilly Circus, Hidden Gems, Sky Garden, free views. Leadenhall Market, Little Venice, Greenwich Park. Section 8 Food you must try: British food, fish and chips, full English breakfast, Sunday roast meat pies, afternoon tea. Street food: Borough Market, Camden Market, Brick Lane. Budget food tips: supermarket meal deals, Greg's Bakery, Pret-a-Manger. Section 9 Culture and etiquette: cue politely, say sorry often, keep voices low on transport. Drive on the left, look right before crossing. British people are polite but private. Section 10 Common tourist mistakes: standing on left side of escalators, not using contactless cards, only eating near tourist attractions, underestimating walking distance, not checking weather, carrying heavy luggage on tube. Section 11 Safety and scams: London is safe, but watch for pickpockets, avoid fake charity collectors, don't accept free items. Emergency number 999. Section 12 Simple 3 DIY itinerary: Day 1 Westminster, Buckingham Palace, Trafalgar Square, Covent Garden, Soho. Day 2 Tower of London, Tower Bridge, Borough Market, London Eye, South Bank. Day 3 British Museum, Camden Market, Regent's Park, Oxford Street Shopping. Section 13 Packing tips: comfortable shoes, light jacket, umbrella, power adapter, UK Type G, credit card. Outro: London is a city that rewards planning. Get your transport right. Choose the right area to stay. Avoid tourist traps, and you'll have an unforgettable trip. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe to Cross Trail, and share this video with someone planning a trip. Comment below if you want a 7-day itinerary, budget breakdown, or a Europe travel guide next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep moving, and we'll see you on the next trail.